Email marketing is king. Here's why: if you are an internet marketer or business owner looking to build an audience, develop relationships, increase trust and authority, and ultimately sell products, you can't help but use email marketing. When it comes to building and reaching a massive number of people, email marketing beats all other forms of marketing like SEO and social media marketing. Unfortunately, it is not given the prominence it deserves, as other marketing methods seem to be more in the limelight than email marketing. If you doubt this, just take a look at the blog of any big email marketer. Almost all of them will describe their email marketing and list building activities as the single most important aspects of their business. One such blogger is Michael Hyatt. He had the following to say about email marketing and list building: "I have literally built a multi-million-dollar business on the strength of my email list. 90% of my income comes from it. Even today, my email list is still my #1 business priority and asset." Meanwhile, Douglas Carr from Marketing Tech Blog said, "Without a doubt, our email list is the best investment we've ever made." And Michael Stelzner of Social Media Examiner says, "Email is the most important channel for you to cultivate." That's from a site about social media, and yet the owner is recommending email marketing above that very tool. The list of big names who claim email marketing is their most important tool goes on. And the statistics back this up too. For instance, did you know that 91% of all consumers check their email daily? Or that surveyed companies rate their email campaigns as more profitable than PPC advertising, social media marketing, or content marketing? Did you know that 66% of US customers over 15 have purchased at least one product via an email campaign? Or how about the fact that email marketing has a ROI of 4,300%? That's an absolutely gigantic figure.